We'll start up top. We have our heart here. The heart is connected to the vena cava, which runs up here and splits off down to the arms, then goes up to the neck and head. And then we have the lungs here, which have multiple lobes. I believe there's 4 lobes on each side. They're a bit deteriorated. And we also have the thalamus, was it? In here?
Oh, the thymus.
Thymus in here.
Wow, that thing is destroyed.
Yeah, it's pretty hard to find. Diaphragm's in here. This muscle that runs all along here, separating the thoracic from the digestive cavity. Then we have our liver here. The liver has multiple lobes as well. And then our gallbladder is tucked in underneath here. We have our stomach here. The stomach runs into the small intestine, which is underneath the mesentery or omentum. It's either omentum or mesentery.
Momentum.
Omentum, okay. And then into the small intestine, which runs along here. The small intestine is also connected to the spleen through our blood vessels here. And then we have the large intestine, which runs down here. You can see it underneath as well. Just right here. And it runs to the anus. And we have our kidneys here, these blue blobs on whatever this is. We have our ovaries here on both sides, connected to the horn of uterus, which runs to the uterus underneath all our structures here. And so the opposite side here, we have the other kidney right here, the other ovary right here, and then the horn of uterus right here. And then our urinary bladder is right here, and then it seems to be 2 fat globules on either side. And that's all we got. I don't know anything else. Yeah.